children, today let's start with chapter number 10, electric current and its effects. So let's start with the chapter now. You have learned in the previous class about the electric circuit is such an important as it is very useful form of energy, right? Electrical energy can be transferred into several other forms of energy. First is electric circuit. It is the simplest form of electric current in electric cell. It flows through the electric cell through conducting material when they are well connected. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? जब closed path होता है in which the electric current flows को हम electric circuit कहते हैं, right? It starts from positive terminal of the cell and goes to negative terminal, right? There is no breaks in the between. So a circuit with no breaks is called closed current. और जहाँ पे break होता है उसको open current कहते हैं, right? So the electric circuit are therefore drawn by representing commonly used electric components with their symbols, right? Let's study about the different components. First is fan. ये एक electric appliances है that contains motors that rotates when the current is provided. Cell, longer line represent the positive terminal, thicker and shorter one जो किसको represent करती है? Negative terminal. Battery combination है two or more cell का. Switch ये control करता है to open or close circuit, right? Electric bulb, appliance containing filament जो glow करता है when the current is provided. Wire represented by a straight line provides medium for the flow of current in a circuit, right? Here the activities given, make a following electric circuit using above symbol. Closed circuit with electric bulb, battery of the two cell. Open circuit, आपको दो bulb लेने, right? Now circuit diagram. This is the circuit, this is closed and this is open. अगर closed होगा तो जो bulb होगा वो glow करेगा. अगर open होगा the bulb will not be glow. A diagram which shows arrangement of various electric components, electric circuit with the help of their symbol. उसको हम circuit diagram कहते हैं. A electric circuit consisting of a cell, a bulb or a closed switch, it is represented by drawing a circuit diagram. Similarly, we can draw an open circuit which consists of an open switch, bulb, cell and containing wires. Electric battery की अगर हम बात करें, it's a combination of two or more cells in an electric battery. It can be connected in series or parallel. Battery in which cells are connected, it is a kind of battery. Cells are connected in such a way that negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the next cell, right? Now battery in which cells are connected, when you connect cells in parallel, the negative terminals of all the cells are connected together. और किसकी help से? Wire की positive terminal of the cells are also connected together and you can use cell cooler over it. What are the effects? We have three effects: heating effect, magnetic effect or chemical effect. First is heating effect. All the material oppose the flow of current through them. Degree of which a material opposes flow of current through itself, इसको हम resistant कहते हैं. And when an electric current is passed through a high resisting wire, जो wire है वो hot हो जाता है and what it produce heat. इसको हम heating effect of electric current कहते हैं. Then we have applications of heating effect. The heating effect of electric current has many applications in our everyday life. First is bulb. So a bulb contains thin coiled wire called filament. It is made up of tungsten material. On the passage of electric current, tungsten filament of the bulb become white, hot and starts glowing. Right? That we have learned tungsten bulb is not power efficient. It can be replaced by fluorescent tube light. Right? Fuse. It is a safety device that is used in household circuit. जो किसको protect करता है? Appliances को from excessive flow of electric current. A fuse is a small piece of wire that allow of adequately low melting point. Right? Maximum limit जो है current की वो can safely pass through a circuit. If the current exceeds the limit, then the fuse gets hot and it melts. It's an activity. Let's study about the excessive flow of current. Excessive current can flow in household circuit in two cases: short circuit and overloading. There are cables and wires in electric circuit. The wires are of three types: live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. Live और neutral wire, they not come in contact with each other because इनका जो resistant है वो zero होता है and very large amount of current will flow through the circuit. जिससे क्या होता है? आपकी appliances को damage होता है and it is called short circuiting. Overloading, we have multiple of sockets for connecting appliances. We connect multiple appliances to a single socket. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Overheating कहते हैं. Overloading भी हो जाती है बहुत बार, right? Magnetic effect. Have you ever used a magnetic compass? The needle and a tiny magnet. In 1820, Daniel physicist Hans Christian Ørsted was performing some experiment, and when electric current is passed through a wire, the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. और एक क्या produce करता है? Magnetic field around this. इसको हम magnetic effect of current कहते हैं. Here the methods is also given, observation is given. You will observe in an activity. इस activity में आप observe करोगे that switch is on position and the current is flowing. और जो paper pin जो attached है nail पे, they will switched off position, that pins will fall off. वो नीचे गिर जाएंगे. Electromagnet, when you insert a soft iron rod inside the solenoid made in the above activity, you find that deflection of compass needle is even more than that of coil. This is because when you place a soft iron rod inside, it turns magnet. The combination of coil and some iron rod creates a stronger magnet, and this magnetism disappear when you switch off electric current. ठीक है, और इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Electromagnet. So magnetism of electromagnet lasts only till current passes through its coil. Now strength. What are its strength? First is increasing current passing through coil. और इन नंबर ऑफ जो टर्न्स है कॉइल में उसको भी क्या करता है? इंक्रीज करता है. नेक्स्ट इज यूजेस. इलेक्ट्रिक बेल्स में हम यूज करते हैं, क्रेन्स में भी यूज इट, इन लाउड स्पीकर, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स और बाय डॉक्टर्स. जैसे अगर कोई आयरन स्प्लिंटर का यूज करना है फॉर द आइज. नाउ हेयर हाउ टू मेक अ इलेक्ट्रिक मैग्नेट. यू कैन यूज इट एट योर होम and you can make them. Next is your electric bell. It works on the magnetic effect. ये जो magnetic effect होता है current को उस पर work करता है, and you can understood it by the different construction. Now I will tell you about an electric bell has U-shaped electromagnet which is magnetized. जब आप push button को press करोगे तो वो magnetize हो जाएगी, right? And a soft iron wire held in front of the poles they called armature hammer a metallic sphere. It is attached and जैसे आप स्ट्राइक करोगे उसको अ साउंड विल बी प्रोड्यूस एंड अ गॉन्ग. एक बिगर स्पेयर होता है जिसको आप हिट करते हो हैमर से. देन वी हैव कॉन्टेक्ट स्क्रू. व्हाट इट्स डू? इट्स मेक एंड ब्रेक स्क्रू. इससे हम कॉन्टेक्ट बनाते हैं. वी पुश इट एंड वी आर्मेचर इट. नाउ वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बेल. व्हेन द बटन इज प्रेस, स्विच बटन गेट्स ऑन पोजिशन, मेकिंग द सर्किट कंप्लीट एंड करंट स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग. जो सॉफ्ट आयरन के जो रॉड्स होते हैं, when the wire is wrapped around them, they start behaving like electromagnets. They attract armature towards themselves, and as a result, therefore develops a gap. Due to this soft iron, the coil round it stops behaving. ये क्या करेगी? ये as a magnet ये behave करना बंद कर देगी, right? This is all about in this chapter. Let's start with exercise now. Now, a device that stops excessive flow of current is called switch, fuse, bulb या circuit. It is called fuse. A thin wire inside the bulb it is called filament. Fuse wire is made up of किसका बना है? Tin का. In the symbol of an electric cell, longer line represent the dash terminal and the thicker and the shorter line will represent negative. Now, the magnetic effects of current was first observed by Ørsted. Dash is used for making filament of the bulb. किसका यूज करते हैं हम? टंगस्टन का. The instrument by which the potential difference is measured, that is ammeter. Now fill in the blanks. When the bulb lights up, it shows that an electric current is flowing. For an electric current to flow, there must be a dash circuit. अगर flow करना है तो कैसा सर्किट होना चाहिए? Closed. कोई भी गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. The combination of two or more cell, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? बैटरी. The safety device based on heating effect of electric current is called electromagnet. It is called fuse. A magnet formed due to magnetic field or electric current is called. Our body is a dash of electricity, conductor. Now an electric circuit passes through a next write T for true and F for false statement. First is a fuse is an example of magnetic effect of current. It's false. When an electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, the wire melts. It's true. An electromagnet does not attract piece of iron. It's false. To make a battery of two cells, negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of other cell. Thin wire in a light bulb is called filament. It's true. Electric bulb has electromagnet. It's true. A fuse is formed due to magnetic effect of electric current. It's false. Match the following: electric bell, electromagnet, fuse, it is known as safety device, filament, bulb, magnetic effect, compass needle, battery, combination of cell. Now short answer type question, what is difference? You have to write the difference between open switch and closed switch, and you can make the diagram also. What is electric circuit? What is fuse and why it is good to fuse wire made of clay? What is heating effect of electric current? Now what is electromagnet and what are the essential components? Now long answers, you have to draw a electric circuit consisting of battery of 4 cells. वो आपको show करता है. Demonstrate and explain making of fuse. What is the magnetic effect of current? You have to explain working of electric band. What do you mean by term heating effect of electric cell? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.